So a brand new streaming application, new for 2024, with probably the largest library of TV shows that I've ever seen on any application. Now, this application is absolutely free. It works great on your Amazon devices, your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, has lots and lots of catch-up content, everything from Holy Fools and Horses to other very, very popular British TV shows, sitcoms. All of that is included in this application. I'm not using any VPN and I'm not seeing a single advert in these applications. So all of this great content across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started.
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
So I'm doing my demonstration on the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, but you can run this application on any other Android TV or Android device. Now before I start, let me just say a massive thanks to Neil from Liverpool, Merseyside, who told me about this application. And that really is the great thing about the streaming community, where I don't claim to know all of the best applications or the best tips and tricks, but with your feedback, with your comments, with your recommendations, we can together find the best applications, find the best tips and tricks, and really just grow as an amazing streaming community. So many thanks for that. Now, the application in question today is called this TKS TV player. Let's open that up. And as I mentioned before, I'm not using any kind of VPN. I just start the application. Now, straight to at the top, we can see there is a quick EPG telling you exactly what's on now. So we can see some very, very popular Only Fools and Horses, another series called My Family. Now, there's only a handful of channels at the top here, which we can see. And then there's a few other ones from Pluto TV. But I think the real magic in this application is the catch-up, where, as I mentioned at the start, it just has a massive library of great TV shows, particularly British shows, that you can access on here. So here, for example, is Detectives. Let's click on that. I can click on Watch Now, and you'll see there's no adverts, no pop-ups, no interruptions, and I'm straight in there. That's working great. Let's go back again. Then you've got a brand new section, more new stuff, more series, extras, very popular with Ricky Gervais. So the complete series is there. So more new content. You got a few movies in the mix. You got Ghosts, My Hero, Only Fools and Horses. I mean, was there ever a better comedy than this series? And you got every single episode. So here you can see season 2, season 3. If I keep scrolling fast. And they've even got all of the Christmas specials. It really just has to be one of the best comedies of all time. And it's one of those ones that you can just watch again and again. It really does have that rewatchability characteristic. Let's try this random one. So Sleepless in Peckham. Let's click on that. Click on Watch Now. Just to show you that it's not just one episode, one show, as this is an official application, fully licensed. All of the content is working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content, buffer free, no interruptions, ad free. Let's go back. Then you got Siblings. Then you got the entire season or series of Friends. So again, just all of the episodes across all of the seasons. I mean, American shows typically have a lot more episodes per season. But you can see, guys, as I'm scrolling at the top, we're on season 9, episode 22, then season 10, the last one. Yeah, so it really is a vast library of TV shows. Then you got Miranda, another comedy, The Change. Yeah, I'm just scrolling through it now fast. But you can see, guys, lots and lots of very, very 40 Towers. I mean, what a great comedy with Mr. Cleese. Then you got Jeeves and Wooster. You can even do continue watching. So even though the application doesn't have or require any kind of login, no registration, if you start an episode, you can then go back to it and continue watching at another time. And that really is the entire application. So not much on the live TV content, but in terms of series and catch up, it really does have that massive library. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, on the Fire Sticks, I can press the home button. Let's go over to search. Now I can just type in the word TK. So T and then K and then S. Let's search for TKS. Go down to applications, and here we have the official TKS TV player. I can do info on that. I mean, you can see it's brand new, guys. It doesn't even have any reviews yet, but I'm sure once you guys check it out, definitely do leave a positive review if you think it's a good application. We can see here that it's compatible with this device. You can see some of the screenshots here, and that's working great. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your Amazon App Store or the Android TV store, I will extract this application and add it to my website under the tutorials page. So if you can't see it here, go to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how to get this TK player on all of your devices. Now, I do believe it requires a UK IP address, as I'm guessing the content is designed for a UK audience. Now, if you're not in the UK, the easiest way to get a UK IP address is to use some kind of VPN. And right now, there's a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content, you can take advantage of this new advanced threat protection. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. It is only there for the next 2 weeks. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.